Hello, it's your boy Dapo here. I was just going to walk you through how to deposit into your pocket option for binary trading. Anyone who is new to binary trading, it's in a way different from trading forex. I would say binary options are types of derivative contracts that allows an investors to bet on a price of an underlying asset. Options can be bought or sold through a variety of financial institutions. Options for forex, you can now trade them with great leverage through the markets. There are quite a different risk opportunity involved with options. You need to decide whether the payoff is worth before choosing the right course of action. So I'm going to walk you through how to deposit into your binary accounts now using pocket options. If you have not registered for pocket option, you can use my link below the video and I'll walk you through this now. So you can, once you log, so I'm not going to take you through the login process. So once you've signed up and you've confirmed your account through your email, just come to the interface and on the right hand section here, you will see where you can top up your account. So I'm going to click on top up. I'll be topping up using the TRC. So I would say I'm topping up 150. Then I'm going to click on, then it's going to ask me select the protocol I want to use. The protocol I like using is the TRC20 because it's cheaper and the charges is not as high as using the ERC20. Then I'll click on continue. Then it gives me an information saying that this address only supports USDT transfers via TRC20 protocol. So you've got to be very much aware of this. Make sure that you're not transferring to the ERC20 protocol. Make sure what you're doing is using the TRC20. The TRC20 protocol is way cheaper than using the ERC20. So what I've got to do next is copy this address. Once it's copied, I'm going to paste this address somewhere I can easily locate it. So I'll paste this address. Then I go to my Binance. I go to my Binance and make a transfer of 150 USDT to my Binance account, from my Binance account. So once you've made the payments, you just click on I have paid. So it says, please try later. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. If the error occurs again, they haven't received it, but I would wait for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I close this page. So once it's confirmed, I'll let you guys. So yes, and it says the payment has been completed. So they've received my payment and it took probably about 3 minutes for the payments to go through. Then I'm just going to click continue. Then you can see that my payment has actually arrived in my pocket option account. And this is the receipts. So it says trade now. So in the next video, I'll be walking you through the interface of the pocket options, how to install your indicators, where to get your currencies, and the best time to. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my video. Bye.